Now, come back to that card, the 30-day habit challenge, and you had your name and you had your habit, and please put the start date. Ideally, I really would like you to start today. Just start today with that habit, right? Again, don't write this down if you driving or operating heavy machinery, or we don't want you to do that. But if you're in your office or sitting down, just or if you're driving, think about what your start date is. And I really would like you to please pick accountability partner. If you don't have one, guess what? Now you do. Please reach out. Absolutely. Put the question, go to discussion forum, message me, and make sure that I am your accountability partner. Trust you, trust me, you will start your new habit. So again, very important that and then you have this 30-day habit challenge, and just check, day 1, day 2, day 3, yes or no. That's all we need you to do. Yes or no for 30 days, and hopefully your grid will look with many more yeses than nos, so that we will start establishing this new neural pathway in our brain.